12 p.m. atugenda at our barrier area. Tugenda kuba nkonge Kongwe, I don't know, woman, atujja kuba wano mu Kongwe all of us. So buli omu amanyi nti agenda kuziika, make sure you're here by 10, 11 in the morning, have lunch here, then we settle all of us at once at 12 p.m. So tujja kugenda tuziike, tumale tukomewo wano. So wano wajja kuba wena waliwo saafa wonna nkomawo. We don't have a good lunch tonight, then we settle. So program is going to be going on. In 8 in the morning, the body, the grandpa, the local music team, but Nazi, the director, the Saturday, then we have lunch, then speeches, everything, everything we have going on. We have lunch, speeches, then we sit on us at 4 p.m. Then we have supper, we do but everything, it's all good, you're now ready to train. You're not even up to now, and then ready.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.